Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your number from your Facebook account. You may want to remove your number because you've lost your number or you bought a new SIM. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Facebook. Click on your Facebook app. Click on your profile picture at the top right hand side. Then once you've clicked on it, scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Then under settings and privacy, click on settings. Then click on see more in account center. Then scroll down under account settings, click on personal details. From here, click on contact info. Once you arrive here, you will see all your details, including your email address and your numbers and all the numbers associated with your account. So pick the number you want to remove, click on it, and then click on delete number. So you will no longer be able to use this number to log in, reset your password, or receive notifications. Please know that you may not be able to delete this number from accounts where it is only the contact method. So had it been that this number is only your contact method, you have no email address, you won't be able to delete this. So before you be able to delete this number, you should have an email address or another contact option. So click on delete, and then a code will be sent to your second contact option, which is my email address. So if your second contact is your number or email, a code will be sent to that second contact option. So now a code will be sent to my email address. I'll just go get it now. And then click on continue. So like you see, you've deleted your previous number. From here, you then click on close. Thank you guys for watching. Please, before you go, kindly subscribe, like the video, and share the video to your friends.